Here is Alyssa Rispoli. She took this awesome picture for me. Obviously, this is a beautiful place right here. A lot of brown in that place we had to brighten up. So what we put up here is we go around and try to talk to city officials, neighborhood associations. We try to stay ahead of the curve and teach as much as we can about what would you prefer in your neighborhood. There's a lot of really good stuff that we do. And we're taking historic homes that look like that, and that was from February of last year to July. And there was 2 townhomes that we had to finish. And the main rush that we had is because they exploded on Airbnb. We just blocked the calendar off to July from February, thinking that that would give us enough time. Then we got into the project and we realized that we had a real deadline once July filled up on both sides completely. So we had to hustle to get it done. We were working around the clock to make it look from that to that. Here's another thing. What would you prefer in your neighborhood? Obviously, that is a fully loaded needle next to our demo guy's foot right there. And unfortunately, most of you are investors or have been in the industry for a while. You know this is not uncommon in the city. So you have that or that. So that's is what we're turning them into. It's not what the bad press or news will always sometimes highlight. There's a lot of a lot of the time we're hosting families, grandparents. So here is the kids' room before. There's the kids' room now, same room. Before, after.